If you're interested in storing your sats safely, Sparrow Wallet is one of the best wallets, but it's a little bit complicated. In this video, we're going to explain how to properly download your wallet to make sure you have everything securely and safe. Now go to sparrowwallet.com to download your wallet. Pick your operating system that you want to download. Don't be scared when you see this pop up, just click on more info and press run anyway. Here's some info about Sparrow Wallet, just click on next. So now you can pick the server. You just pick any public server you want. If you have a node, then you could connect that. Now we want to set a name for the wallet, and you want to pick Taproot address if you want to store sats. So create a 12-word seed phrase. Make sure that you save the seed phrase in a safe place, and then back up your wallet, retype all the words, and import key store. And now you can put a password if you want. I recommend you do. And now you basically have everything done. Make sure you label your wallet that you received the sats. If you have another transaction, send it to another wallet so it's easier to store. With that info, now you can safely store your sats. Watch my next videos on how to send sats and explain more about the wallet and how it works. Thank you for watching.